Wait. Let me calm down. I wanna go to bed.
You're alright, bud. Hey.
It's okay to step on. Start.
You're good.
This is the breaking boundary, and it's when it goes apart and makes a belly. And this is converging boundary, and it pushes and makes mountains. This is the seafloor spreading. It occurs when molten material comes up and creates new oceanic crust on the floor of the ocean. And when these two meet, the land with the highest viscosity
Yeah, you want to restart? Absolutely none of that. I told you that. All right. You're the first people up here. It's kind of like, oh my word, right? Makes you want to break down. Don't worry about none of that.